You're the audio engineer, right? It's written, so they know.
Hello. Hey, can you hear me?
Check, 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 check. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I don't know how to count beyond that.
Hello. Can you hear me?
That's good, because I thought you wouldn't get it the first time. Just sing something and let me see how it sounds.
Are you ready for Mahashivratri?
Yeah!